This is an avocado, and this is a podcast. That makes this an avocado podcast.
You are now listening to The Young God, a podcast for the gods. All right. Hey, Young Gods. You're welcome to another musical showcase. I'm your host, Rodney, or shall I say, Dirty Sexy Rodney. Today's song is called I'm That Nigga. Corny, I know. I was so corny back in the day, man. I'm still corny now, but damn. I was peak corny in 2012, 2013, 2011. I used to texturize my hair to get those sporting waves. That was me. At that time, my beard was struggling to connect, but I was a real baby boy. We thank God for growth, man. Now, this song, I'm That Nigga, is special because I made the beat and it features one of my best friends and favorite people on earth. His name is Patrick, aka Young Cheesy. He was corny too. We're all corny, man. And we're part of a 6-man group called the Balling Crystal Crew, aka BCC. See, our corniness knew no limits. I don't know what to tell you. Guys, I was young. But anyway, Young Cheesy is a French-speaking West African from Ivory Coast, and he brought that energy to our songs, man. Stand-up guy, love him to death. And this song is one of the songs we just used to reminisce about our time in uni. And I can't wait for you guys to hear this. Now, the idea behind this song was just straight up bragging about everything, both true and untrue. We just went extra, as all rappers do when a dope beat comes on. And guys, there's something about a beat that just makes you talk so much shit, I swear to God. People don't realize this, but the beat is the culprit. You think rappers just be out here just, talking shit for fun. They like rappers are normal people, but when that beat comes on and it's banging and it's, moving and it's just like inspiring, you just find yourself spitting those that you did and did not do just because, so you just be minding your business and the beat will just make you say something you wouldn't say on a normal day. And I think all rappers can attest to this, and this is what it was. Guys, I've been saying this all season and I'm saying it again. Self-expression is the secret to survival. When you're in uni struggling with all kinds of stuff, this was our escape. Oh, and by the way, here's a heads up. You're going to hear me say my catchphrase, suck my balls, several times. Quite a bit. It's something I said a lot in my music just because I could. That's why they call me dirty. My mouth was just filthy sometimes. And I think the deeper we go into this musical showcase rabbit hole, the deeper you'll find out just what I was made of. But it was all dope, man. So if you're listening with your parents or your kid, don't. Do not. Just a heads up. But I love how it'll catch you by surprise. I say it at the most random times. And as you all know by now, I might be a god, but I'm also clearly not a serious human being. But I'm also that nigga. Enjoy.
Bossy, nigga, I'm bossy. I'm paid to death, so ballin' don't cost me. I get bucks like a cowboy. Fuckers get excited, I say down, boy. I flow heavy, like it is my time of the month. Got money, every day's like the end of the month. I'm a beast on the beat, I live for the hunt. The thrill of the chase, the boom and the bass. Money coming in daily, pursuing that money. So please don't fail me, please don't fail me. Niggas tryna act fresh, fuck you, pay me. Clouds in my pocket, so every day's raining. Ballin' is a hobby cause the feeling comes natural. Y'all can't understand cause the feeling ain't mutual. Bitch so beautiful, dick so dutiful. I make sure she never forget cause I'm that nigga. I'm that nigga, better recognize nigga. I'm that nigga. My pockets getting bigger, my pockets better bigger. Look at Neil's lips, big like Jigger.
Yeah, I, nice to meet you. Cheesy is the name, all about my paper. I ain't give a fuck about the fame. Haters talking, saying BCC and what they claim. But we got game, nigga, feelers up, colors vein full of blood, nigga, call us dog, nigga, pocket full of dough, nigga, you can call us
rich nigga.
scared of real nigga, I can call you bitch nigga. You ain't really shit nigga, use a pussy ass nigga. Now you feel the dirty beat, it's shaking out your feet, be swimming at your seat, you still can't compete. We get it how we live, fast life, no stop, high price, butter pop. Shit is real, but it feels like a dream. Keep it clean, swagged up, ice cream, bitch, you know what I mean. I ain't tryna be mean, only nines in my team. Win is the only word that I scheme, bitch.
Money is the honey and these bitches are the bees. Bitches looking fly cause I make them fly to me. And they better know I handle business like a CEO. Spending dough on the go like you know tomorrow. So I'm on one, I got two bitches, I spread them out like two cities. I make that pussy cream like milk, but the kid is, it's a beat that you haters ain't with me. I'm illy, ha ha, I'm illy. I'm a fresh prince, but I ain't from Philly. I'm a die-hard baller, call me Bruce Willis. Flow so sick, I'm talking syphilis. Going so hard like a porn star penis. I'm a pro, you niggas is beginners. I pop painkillers after dinners, cause it's hard, so hard to see real winners. Mingle with the sinners. We ain't got lightsabers, but the force is within us. Genius, I'm finished, damn. You know Dirty Sexy?
Look, money on my mind, so I'm staying on my grind. All day, every day, gotta bring the shine. Skinny jeans, fat wallet, got me looking fine. Money to the ceiling, you can call it rooftop fly. Balling crystal crew, swag to the limit. No deja vu, bank account full of digit. Bring the moolah home, all in cash, no credit. No dirt, no dog, we keep it legit. Bitches know my name, they say I got a game. MVP of the year, we popping champagne. Raggedy ass on my case like a stain. Chuck Taylor on my fin, flying paper plane. Popping bottle, fucking mother, that's all we do. Keep it G and see the motherfuckers mad at you. Wanna fight, wanna kill me, I ain't Pikachu. All I do is getting money, throw it back at you. One for the money, two for the money, three for the money. All I think about is money. Any, many money, I see cheese and honey. Talking about money, broke niggas sound funny. I say one for the money, two for the money, three for the money. All I think about is money. Any, many money, I see cheese and honey. Talking about money, broke niggas sound funny. Cheesy, yeah.
I'm that nigga.
You got him?
I'm that nigga.
Yes, sir. Dirty Sexy, Young Cheesy, BCC for free. Alright.
www.dirtysexycheesyshow.skyrock.com.
Log in, bitch. Suck my balls.
So what do you guys think? That was peak Dirty Sexy Rodney. Yo. That was me in my element. That was me really, really having fun with it. I mean, the flow though, in that second verse, the money is the honey and these bitches are the bees. Excuse my French. I don't know if you're bitches. If you're a woman, listen to my show. You're a motherfucking god. I love you and thank you for tuning in. But the money is the honey and these bitches are the bees. That was inspired. That's a whole caption and a half. Feel free to borrow that from me if you like it. But yeah, so please feel free to let me know. Shout me out in the Young God group on Telegram. The link is in the description of this episode. I want to know what you think. I got some feedback from a listener, and he was like, he's not really feeling this musical episodes, and that is cool. So I'm trying to get enough feedback from you guys, and if it's really not what I think it is, then I will kill it ASAP. And also, if you enjoyed the songs, the musical showcase songs are available on SoundCloud. There's also a link attached. Every song that comes out here will be released on the SoundCloud account, where you can listen to just the song on its own and enjoy it for what it is without any of this commentary. So thank you for listening. Do subscribe, tell a friend, and let me know what you think. All right. See you guys next week.